Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create this boho style strawberry bouquet. And I want to give a shout out to MaribelTV for inspiring me to create this strawberry bouquet. I'll be leaving a link to her channel in the description box below. Here are the things we'll need. We'll need chocolate, ribbon, tissue paper, skewers, and we'll need 20 strawberries. And then we'll need some decor dried grass and a piece of foam. The first step is to melt the orange chocolate in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And then you'll just want to make sure that it's mixed very well. The next step is to grab a dried strawberry and a skewer stick, and you'll want to dip the skewer stick in the chocolate and then placing it right in the center of the strawberry. The chocolate will help to kind of keep it in place and a little bit more secure. Then you'll want to dip the strawberry in the chocolate, and you want to make sure that it's evenly coated. Once you've dipped the strawberry, you want to place them on the foam, and this step is extremely important because it will allow the strawberry to dry evenly. Then you'll continue and repeat the same step with the rest of the strawberries. The last 5 strawberries I'll be covering with white sprinkles. For the next step, we'll want to melt the white chocolate, and then we'll be pouring it in a Ziploc bag. And then we'll be cutting just the tip of the Ziploc bag so that we're able to create the designs. For the designs, try not to overthink it too much. Just do a side-to-side motion and you'll see that the strawberries will begin to take its own design. And here are the fully decorated strawberries. For the next step, we'll need to separate the strawberries into groups of 4, and we'll end up with 5 groups. For this next step, you'll have to be very careful and especially very patient. But by the time you get through your first group, you'll see that it's not so hard. Just make sure that your strawberries are even at the top. For this next step, you're basically going to combine your 5 groups into one big one. Once you have combined your 5 groups into one and you feel that they're secure, go ahead and add the tissue paper. Next, go ahead and secure your entire bouquet with a ribbon. And the final step, to really give it that boho style, I will add these decor dried grass pieces. Overall, I'm really satisfied with the final result. I think it really gives me the boho vibes with the orange and with the dried peace grasses added. And I just really think it's a really fun DIY project to do. Let me know what you guys thought of the bouquet down below. Thank you for watching.